7 animals that you didn't know are extinct. In contrast to the single mass extinction event that annihilated the Earth's dinosaur population, many scientists believe the globe is swiftly approaching many animal extinction events, with a devastating number of creatures becoming extinct before 2050. In truth, some of the world's rarest species were not born that way. Some of these species, like the world's rarest trees, are under peril from reasons that no one could have imagined hundreds of years ago. Before we begin the countdown, please like and subscribe to our channel for excellent material on animals and pets. 1. Smooth handfish. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, the smooth handfish is the first modern marine fish to go extinct. Deep-sea anglerfish are related to smooth handfish, Sympterichthyes unipennis. It hasn't been seen since 1802, when French biologist François Perrin assisted in capturing one along Tasmania's shore to transport back to Paris's Natural History Museum. The smooth handfish became the first modern-day marine fish to be formally declared extinct on the IUCN Red List in March 2020. However, due to concerns about the exhaustiveness of the unsuccessful surveys to identify this species, this was reversed in September 2021. 2. Baiji or China river dolphin. The baiji is a probably extinct species of freshwater dolphin belonging to China's Yangtze River system. It is believed to be the first dolphin species to go extinct as a result of human impact. The IUCN lists this dolphin as critically endangered, possibly extinct. It has not been spotted in 40 years, and multiple surveys of the Yangtze have failed to locate it. In China, the species is also known as the Chinese river dolphin, and it was revered by local fishermen and boatmen as the goddess of protection. Following observations in the Yangtze River in the 1980s, it has been confidently asserted that baiji may be the first dolphin species in history to be driven to extinction by humans. 3. White rhino. There are 5 types of rhinos. Only the white and black rhinos live in Africa, while the other 3 are found in Asia. The white rhinoceros is the largest of the 5 species. After the African elephant, white rhinos are the largest terrestrial mammal. Every day, at least one white rhino is slaughtered illegally in South Africa for its horn. So far in 2017, 3 rhinos have been poached per day so that their horns can be sold to Asian purchasers. Rhino horn has no established therapeutic characteristics and cannot cure any condition. The northern white rhino was once common throughout Central Africa, but alarming rates of illicit poaching for its horn have already resulted in its nearly likely extinction in the wild. 4. The Zanzibar leopard. The Zanzibar leopard is scarcely known. It has never been examined in the wild, and the last documented sighting of a living leopard was in the early 1980s. Most zoologists now believe the Zanzibar leopard is extinct or nearly so. Only 6 skins have been donated to museums, including the type specimen of P. adder C at the Natural History Museum in London and a faded mounted specimen in the Zanzibar Museum. 5. The Spix macaw. The bird is a medium-sized parrot weighing about 300 grams, making it smaller than other giant macaws. It has a gray-blue head, light blue underparts, and brilliant blue upper parts. Males and females seem practically identical. However, females are somewhat smaller. The species lived in riparian Caraibera, Tababuya aurea, woodland galleries in the Rio São Francisco drainage basin, inside the Caatinga dry forest climate of interior northeastern Brazil. It had an extremely limited natural habitat due to its reliance on the tree for nesting, foraging, and roosting. Following a multi-year assessment, the IUCN declared this species extinct in the wild in 2019. 6. The Javan tiger. The Javan tiger was small in comparison to other subspecies on the Asian mainland, but larger than the Bali tiger and similar in size to the Sumatran tiger. It possessed long and thin stripes that were significantly more frequent than those of the Sumatran tiger. Based on these cranial characteristics, the Javan tiger was proposed to be designated to a separate species, Panthera sondaca. The Javan tiger was supposed to be powerful enough to shatter the legs of horses or water buffaloes with its paws. The Javan tiger was a Panthera tigris sondaca population that was native to the Indonesian island of Java until the mid-1970s, when it was driven to extinction. 7. The Carolina parakeet. The Carolina parakeet, Conurhopsis carolinensis, sometimes known as the Carolina conure, is an extinct species of small green neotropical parrot with a bright yellow head, reddish-orange face, and light beak native to the United States eastern, Midwest, and Plains states. It was the sole native parrot in its region and one of only 3 species native to the United States. The last known observation of the Ludovicinus subspecies in the wild was in 1910. The species was declared extinct in 1939 after the last known specimen, a male named Incas, died in captivity at the Cincinnati Zoo in 1918. There you have it. Please let's hear your comment about this. Just in case you have cited any of this in recent times, don't forget to like and subscribe.